So it's really important to practice grounding because that's something that can really quickly bring you back to the physical space and into your physical body in a more secure way to calm down those symptoms of anxiety. So grounding, there's a lot of different versions of it, but one that I like that is really easy to get to is if you start to notice yourself having that physiological anxiety, is just to get a hold of something physical in your environment. So right now I'm sitting at my desk and I'm literally just running my hands through my desktop, just kind of feeling the desktop, really understanding that this is physical object that is firm and secure that I can obviously touch on and call upon. I can really notice my body sitting in this chair, notice like how my back is oriented in the chair, planting my feet on the ground. Sometimes when people get really anxious, they start to pace around a lot, or maybe they're crossing their legs. Well, put both your legs on the ground and plant your feet into the ground and try to visualize that it's almost like the trunk of a tree, that your feet are connected to the floor. And it's almost like the roots of a tree that's really strong and stable. And just think about your whole body emanating from that root. So it's really this idea of just getting in touch with the physical environment around you, embracing yourself against the physical environment to start to experience the effects of grounding. It only takes 1 to 2 minutes, and usually people find that that is very, very helpful.